Bollywood has witnessed many unforgettable love stories, but some stand out for their intensity and emotional depth. One such tale is that of veteran actor Raj Babbar and Smita Patil, a relationship that continues to spark conversations even decades later. Recently, Raj Babbar's son, Arya Babbar, shed light on his father's bond with Smita during a stand-up performance, offering a personal perspective on their love. Reflecting on his early years, Arya Babbar recalled how the media constantly hounded him with questions about his father's personal life. He humorously described his experience. "When I was 6 to 7 years old, I used to enjoy playing hide and seek. But I wasn't playing with my friends, I was playing with the media. They would pop out of anywhere, throw a microphone in my face and ask, 'Your father is having an affair. How do you feel?' For a child, understanding such complexities was nearly impossible." Arya admitted that his relationship with his father was strained for many years because he couldn't comprehend the situation at the time. Addressing misconceptions about his father's relationship, Arya emphasized that it was not just an affair but pure love. He stated, "But honestly, that wasn't an affair. That was genuine pure love that Papa and Smitama felt for each other. As a family, we understood and respected that relationship and accepted it. But when you are 6 to 7 years old, you don't understand all of this. And it was because of this that my relationship with my father was strained. Because I couldn't get it." Raj Babbar was married to Nadira Babbar in 1975, and the couple had 2 children, Arya and Juhi Babbar. However, his love story with Smita Patil changed the course of his life. Raj and Nadira divorced in 1982, and he married Smita in 1983. The couple welcomed their son, Prateek Babbar, in 1986. Tragedy struck soon after, as Smita Patil passed away due to complications during childbirth. Following her untimely demise, Raj Babbar reunited with Nadira. Now older and wiser, Arya looks at his father's past with a different perspective. He humorously admitted, "Now that I am 43 and I have been married for 8 to 9 years, I understand, baap itna bhi galat nahi tha." In another moment of comedic reflection, Arya playfully commented on the trend of multiple marriages in his family, particularly regarding his half-brother, Prateek Babbar's second wedding to actress Priya Banerjee. "My father had 2 marriages, my sister Juhi had 2, and now Prateek had 2 as well. Even my dog Happy has 2 girlfriends." Arya Babbar's candid and humorous take on his family's history offers a unique glimpse into the complexities of love, loss, and acceptance. His words remind us that while relationships can be complicated, they are often driven by deep emotions that transcend societal norms. Through nostalgia and humor, Arya presents a touching tribute to his father's love story, keeping the memories of Raj Babbar and Smita Patil's bond alive.